Default element initialization. Creating an array always pre-initializes the elements with default values. The default value for a type is the result of a bitwise zeroing of memory. Zeroing out the memory bits refers to setting all the bits in the memory space allocated for a variable or data structure to 0. In the context of initializing an array, it means that each element in the array is assigned a value where all the bits are set to 0. This effectively initializes the element to its default value based on its data type. For example, for numeric types such as integers, floating point numbers, or characters, setting all the bits to 0 results in the default value of 0. For example, let's create an array. That will be array of integers. We will call it numbers. So we create new int and we allocate a space of 15 integers. And now if we try to access any of those 15 integers, the result will be exactly 0. So let me show you. Let's try console, right line, numbers, 0. So we're taking the first element of the array and see. So the result is 0. Console right line, numbers. Oh, let me just even do it for each. So for each element in that array, an array of numbers, I want a console right line n. So basically, I will see all 15 zeros. Yeah, as expected. But let me just make it very clear. I'll do console right, string interpolation, and then I'll do this way to show you that there will be 15 empty integers of value of which will be 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's how it's stored in memory. So we created an empty array with 15 integers where it was set by default to all zeros. But if we take numbers, and let's take a third element and give it a value of 15. And let me run it again. Now the third element is 15. So we take, again, 15 elements. First element, which is 0. It starts by 0, then 1, then 2, and then the third one is 15. Okay, that's all I have to say about the default element initialization in arrays.